Hi friends, I'm going to show you how you can take a horizon that's constantly changing like this, and we're going to level it and stabilize it as shown in this clip here. And we're going to do it in DaVinci Resolve. So in a previous lesson on the channel, I showed you how you could take a clip and use the rotate angle to make it stable. A question came up in the comments was, how can we do it if the horizon is constantly changing? Well, the only way of doing it that I found is to use keyframes, and we're going to just make a series of keyframes at certain points to twist the horizon to level. So let's do it on the clip that we have here. So let's say we start off in this position here, and we are going to create a keyframe, which we can do by going up to the top on the right here to the video properties. We have the rotation angle. If we click the little diamond shape here, it now goes red. That means we've created a keyframe at this position. We could then rotate the angle of the clip, so about kind of looking about level like that. We also want to create a keyframe on the zoom, because notice we have this black along the edge here. So let's just click a keyframe. We're going to zoom in enough to sort of fill the frame. So that's our first keyframe. And then we have to move on a bit further to the point about here. We're going to then rotate it again. So up to where we have the rotation angle, create another keyframe by clicking the diamond. So it's now red. Use the rotation angle to make it about level. And then another keyframe on the zoom. Zoom in. And it's really a case of just going through every single point where it looks like it's rotating off angle. Just create another keyframe for both the zoom and the rotation and keep twisting it. Now you may find it's easier just to give yourself a bit of a guideline in order to try and keep it as straight as possible, which you can do by going to the properties, which you can do by selecting the effects and then looking for generators and then solid color. Drag on the solid color into a track above, like so. Make sure my track is enabled. And then crop from the top to where the C begins, about there. And then crop from the bottom. And that's going to give you a sort of a horizontal line to work with. So as we rotate, if it goes above that line, we're just going to do another keyframe. So let's click a keyframe on the rotation angle and one on the zoom. Rotate again. Not the, make sure you don't rotate the solid color, but rotate the track below. Keyframe, keyframe. Rotate. And then zoom in. If you find this C goes a little bit above the guideline, we can do that by changing the position Y. So we create another keyframe on position Y, bring the C down to about level, and just keep on going through the footage. As you do so, you're going to get a lot of keyframes, and this is one I've prepared earlier. If we move through this clip here, we can see that we have the C more or less level and just needs a bit more tweaking, but on the whole the actual footage is fairly level. You can then switch off your solid color and then you have a pretty much stabilized C horizon there. So it's just a case of patiently creating keyframes on both the rotation angle, the zoom, and if necessary the position, and then you get yourself a nice straight horizon. And this of course works on the free version as well as the studio version of DaVinci Resolve. So this will work on not just C, but also in any action footage where the horizon is constantly changing. Hope it's useful, and of course if it is, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another video.